Dear learner, let's begin. Electricity and magnetism. Electric potential. Lecture 2. Express the relation between electric field and electric potential in the form vector equal minus vector del dot B. Answer. Let's assume electric field equal E, first point equal A, second point equal B. Distance between them D. First potential V of A, second potential V of B. Therefore, V of A is greater than V of B. Potential difference equal V of A minus V of B. Equal electric field into distance between them equal E into D. Therefore, V of A minus V of B equal E into D. Equation number 1. Or equal V of A minus V of B by D, because V of A minus V of B equal V, or equal V by D. Equation number 2. Here V by dV equal minus dV by dr equal minus d by dr into V equal minus vector del dot V. Then vector equal minus dV by dr. Here V by d is an electric field displacement that carries a negative value. Or vector equal minus d by dr dot V, or vector equal minus vector del dot V. Therefore, vector equal minus vector del dot V. This is the relationship between electric field and potential.